What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music club with a hit and smashing out. Banger, you know, people. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. You see what we are dealing with that. We there with that blood cleat collab, but we didn't expect. No, I don't think nobody in dancehall was expecting this one, man. And yo, I don't know Cartel I do the world boss I do that. I just decides if it does drop this one upon we head top dog out of nowhere. No announcement, no nothing, dog. I don't think he announced it. Did he announce it, guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. All I saw was like a day or two ago. I saw as a premiering on this date, a premiere on YouTube. That's all I saw, man. No promotion, no nothing. But yeah, man, I didn't expect the collab there, but shout out. You one of my favorite dancehall artists, the legend, the teacher, the king of dancehall right now. You know what I'm saying? The world boss himself and Popcaan on the same track. Come on. The world boss and the unruly boss gonna link up now, man. Yo, this gotta be hard, man. So you don't know we have to react to it. Cause this a lot of people thought this was never gonna happen, but hey, here we are, 2023. You see me? Lots of surprises, yo. And then, hey, man, this is crazy. But yeah, we're not gonna hold up the vibes, cause we're not to talk about, we're not to introduce Kartel or Popcaan. We already know who them there. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into the track. This is Vybz Kartel and Popcaan. The unruly boss and the world boss and the unruly boss on the same track. That's crazy, man. I jump right in the track. This is Vybz Kartel and Popcaan. Dull color. Let's get it.
What you wicked? Jaja God. Here we go.
Them two up on the same track, bro. That's crazy, bro. Yo.
Things off in the street, dog. Down to the devil, same should have been born. Can't tame, suck your mother with your keep calm. Rough life, dull color, and a beach ball.
But enemies necessary, we gone.
Come on, bro. 20 point station is crazy.
Get the big blanket to keep my kids warm. Man, I dead in the street warm. When the street warm, peace, then the peace gone.
But until then, roll out with the long thing then. Lock them off as you reach home. Feds not the place, but not take check, no staircase and
until them come with the long thing, them, bro. I want to, I like them off from hey, dog, yo, this man.
Keep couple anners, them near range and fan the ends, man, I play game, dog. And them play, but we still want a payday. Searching for the code, them for the game changer.
Yeah.
Nobody do all it for. Nobody do all it for.
No, sir. Sing it. Yo, Rich. Rich is right, poor is wrong. I want to tell the man, nobody know I live blow, poor man. No, sir, everybody want to enjoy the good things them in their life. I want to them.
Nobody do all it for. Nobody do all it for. Man hungry, them we fall in. Yeah, the streets and the ball game.
Yeah, that when man hungry, then we fall rain. You see me the streets and a ball game. You know what kind of rain man talk and rain outside. Hey, yeah man, if you know, you know.
Nobody do all it for.
them stress ya they all island. But a stress still make all diamond. Youth them want help, politician careless. Police a kill them sit down them decks.
Innocent life. Do not let gunman overnight. Oh, the fuck.
I just want to miss all the line there, man. Say, yo, stress they all island. But a stress build them, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yo, that's facts, though.
That take place on your watch. Society now do we right.
But then time it reach at them door. And time them start get gunshot. Bet said them do and stop watch.
Yeah.
Bet said them I can't stop chat.
That's a fact.
Bet said them I can't stop chat.
That's a fact. The politician them brother now go understand until the thing reach at them door and them feel it. They see me that you know until reach at them door they now go start do and stop back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, I reach until they start feel it too.
Nobody do all it.
Wicked. Yeah, this game added to the
nobody do all it for. Nobody do all it for.
wife, they have to enjoy, man. This song about your fuck. Hey, this is for two of them link up in a long time. It's a real conscious, real vibes. It's a good song. It's a good song.
Nobody don't want it, boy.
That's crazy. Yeah, I want to talk about what going to Jamaica. Notice the paint pan in a Jamaican flag and thing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, shout out to the world boss and the unruly boss. Yeah, see me, the teacher. Yeah, see me, and the teacher and the prefect. Remember I said Popcaan guys the prefect one time, you know. Yeah, man, the world boss and the unruly boss, the teacher and the prefect, the king and the prince. Yeah, see me, because remember so one time the dog gig Popcaan the crowd. You know what I'm saying? So, two of them link up in a long time. It's a good look, real dope track, man. We enjoy that one day. That's a dope track, bro. That's getting added to the playlist. I hope y'all enjoy that one, man. Yo, drop your comments in the comment section. What was your favorite part? You see me beat, melody, everything. And that's the visual. I wonder if they're gonna do a video. Cause that'd be sick as hell. Probably do the AI cartel thing again, the deep fake virtual. That would be dope, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I enjoyed that one, guys. Drop your comments if you like. You show the artist them some love and support. Make you know so Jambisco dance send you. You know what I'm saying? Make you know so we're strong over here. So yeah, see me. Yeah, man, and drop your request. Me know y'all want to see next. I don't know. I get it done. I don't know. We're over our vibe. We're growing. Thank y'all for the support. Hit the like, subscribe button. We're growing on the road to 10K. You already know. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.